Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share with you today another milestone on my YouTube channel, and that is 100,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. This means so much to me, and I want to thank each and every one of you for your support. Now, since most of you do not know me, I just want to do a brief introduction on myself. My name is Elsie. I live in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I previously worked full-time for 20 years in a multinational company. My last job was in human resources, and I retired early from that company. Then I actually worked part-time in a small legal firm specializing in industrial relations for 10 years. And subsequently, I stopped and did a small homemade business making mango jams and selling mango jams. I did that for 5 years. So after that, I really didn't do much, but I started this YouTube channel about 2.5 years ago. So actually I started cooking, learning how to cook in my early 40s, I think. So when I started this YouTube channel about 2.5 years ago, at my late 50s, and with limited skills, so I had so much to learn, from photography to recording and editing videos, operating a YouTube channel. It wasn't easy, but I made lots of efforts, and even though I have learned so much, there are still a lot more things to learn and improve on, so I hope you will bear with me. Now, I will be turning 60 this year, so let me tell you that it's never too late to start and learn something new. This achievement is probably the best 60th birthday present, even though my birthday is on September. Now, one of the best reward I get is when people tag me pictures of what they made using my recipes, which I repost most of them in my social medias. It makes me so happy to receive these pictures, and I am truly grateful for that. So to celebrate this special occasion, I would like to feature those pictures in this video. I tried to accommodate as many as possible, but I can't do all because some of the pictures were too big. But yet I still try to include as many as possible. So since the credit list is too long, so I've included that at the description box, so please check that out. If I left anybody's name out, please do let me know. Okay, now I've categorized the pictures under keto bread and keto buns. Of course, this category has the most pictures because I have 62 videos on keto bread alone. 16 of them are vegan bread and 45 are non-vegan bread. Okay, so the next category is keto cakes, donuts, cookies, scones, wraps and quiche, and of course the latest is the keto waffles. So I hope you really enjoy this video, and I want to thank all of you once again for your support. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you do so, and thank you once again for watching. See you in the next video.